Today, I'm gonna see how clean I can get this carpet. Let's get at it. In my last video, I showed you how dirty my carpet was. So, I decided to take it out of the car in order to give it a deep clean. So now I got the carpet out in the open, and I'm going to attempt to clean it. I went to Advanced and picked up two different cleaners. One is a Turtle Wax Power Out for carpets and mat. The other is OxiClean Total Interior. I like this one because it said heavy duty. So let's see how it goes. I'm gonna spray the stuff on, let it soak in, and then try and scrub it out, hit it with the pressure washer. So now I'm gonna let that soak while I get the pressure washer ready. All right, it's been several minutes. Let's see how clean we can get this carpet. I don't know if you can see it that well in the video, but the water coming off of this carpet was also nasty. It looked like tea, so I repositioned the carpet a few times so that the water would drain off. And I gotta tell you, getting these stains out was pretty satisfying. So there it is. Some areas I couldn't get clean, but it is a lot cleaner. We'll see what it looks like once it dries off. And then I have to make the decision. Do I keep it, dye it, or buy a new one? I pulled the carpet in right before it started to rain. So I have a fan blowing on it to hopefully let it dry quicker. So in the next day or two, we'll see what it looks like. If you stumbled across this video looking for ideas on how you could clean your carpet, stop here. You'll have a very clean carpet in most cases, and you'll be done. But if you want to see how I screw up, keep watching. At this stage in the process, these were before and after pictures of the carpet. If I would have left it like this, I would have been happy. The carpet was mostly clean, and the dirty spot that I'm about to get too aggressive on, no one else would have seen. But I couldn't leave well enough alone, and I kept going. So it's been several days since I cleaned the carpet, and most of it looks pretty good. I mean, it's not perfect, but there's no big stains anymore. I mean, there's some fading, but there's one area. It is a driver's side floorboard that is still a bit stained. So I'm going to hit it again, put some more cleaner on, let it soak, and hit it with the pressure washer. So we'll see if this works. You can see here where I blew through the carpet. I should have stuck with the fan nozzle. I was disappointed because I was looking forward to getting the carpet back in the car, but now I'll get to shop for a new carpet. And there's a few different color options. We'll see what I decide. If you'd like to see how I replace the carpet and all the other work I do on my EJ1 Civic, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care.